Hello friends, once again I welcome you all on my channel Abhi Commerce Classes. So dear friends, uh, today we are going to discuss a very important concept of cross-selling. What is cross-selling? We'll understand in this video. So just watch this video till the end so that you will be able to understand what is cross-selling. So dear friend, to understand this concept, we'll take an example of Mr. S. Mr. S is a seller. He has a shop, provision stores. Suppose he has a shop, provision stores, and in his area he has so many customers. Let's take their name is A, B, C, D, E, and other also. These all customers visit to S stores and they buy some daily usage materials or goods from S shop. Okay. Now S has some plan to expand his business. Okay, he wants to expand his business and he wants to keep some stationery goods also in his shop. Stationery goods also in his shop. So he bought some stationery goods and he just sent a text message to his existing customers A, B, C, D, E, and to other customers also. In this message, he just text that now our shop is offering stationery goods also. So if you are interested, so please visit our shop and buy stationery goods also. Okay, and now some customers are interested to buy stationery goods, so they visited Mr. S shop and bought some stationeries from S. Okay, apart from buying daily needs goods, they are buying stationaries goods also. Okay, and after some time and later on, other customers also having some need of stationery goods, so they can also visit to S shop. Okay, so dear friend, you must have understood what S is doing here. What S is doing here? So he is just targeting his existing customers to buy new product being offered by S. Okay, he is just targeting his existing customers. He is not going out for search of any new customers. He is just targeting his existing customers. Okay, so this activity will be called cross selling. Okay, so now you will be able to understand the definition of cross selling. Okay, so when an existing customer is offered and sold additional services or product, it is called cross selling. Okay, when existing customers A, B, C, D, E are offered to buy some additional services or materials or goods from that particular seller, it will be called cross selling. Okay, so we just took an example to understand it. So now we'll take example of bank. The same activity is performed by the bank. Okay, suppose this is a bank and bank is just targeting its existing customers like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, whatever. Okay, so now the same activity is being done by performed by bank. Bank is going to offer some additional services to its depositors like credit card facilities, home loan facilities, okay, and personal loan facilities or services, vehicle loan services, and other services. The bank is going to approach its existing customers to buy these new services being offered by a bank. So this activity will be called cross selling by the bank. Okay, so this is all about cross selling. I hope you all have understood what is cross selling, and just read more about this concept, so you will be able to understand more about this concept. Okay, keep studying. I hope you must have understood this concept. So please subscribe my channel, like this video, share with your friends, and press the bell icon button so that you will be getting my new videos. Thanks friends, thanks for watching.